how to lose weight without exercise in a week. There are countless methods on how to lose one's extra pounds and achieve a weight loss goal without traditional exercise. Some choose to undergo cosmetic procedures. Others prefer a strict diet regimen. If you want to lose weight but don't have the time to exercise, does that mean that your weight loss goal is out of the window? Not entirely. I know that some may disagree, but we beg to differ. Yes, your weight loss may not be as substantial as one who diets and exercises. However, it is doable. We will share with you in this video some tips on how you can lose weight in a week without exercising. Maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Eating too much unhealthy foods can cause you to gain more weight because you will feel hungry easily and would lead you to consume more calories. If you want to lose some weight, you should eat lots of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. On the other hand, you need to cut back on your consumption of fatty foods, refined grains, processed foods, and sweets. Protein is vital to your diet because it does not only limit muscle loss, but also increases feelings of fullness. According to a 2015 review article posted in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, it is recommended to include 25 to 30 grams of protein in your meals. However, aside from protein, you also need complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. In short, if you want to shed a few extra pounds, you need to have a healthy and balanced diet daily. Modify your beverage choices. If you want to lose weight, you should cut down on your sweetened beverage consumption. In fact, you should not drink those at all. You must also avoid whipped cream, sweeteners, cream, and flavor syrups in your drinks. Drink water, and plenty of it. It works. Sometimes you get more calories from your beverages compared to the food that you eat. Hence, it is highly recommended to drink mostly water, black coffee, and tea without any sweetener or sugar. In a 2011 study published in Obesity, drinking 16 ounces of water before eating meals will help you reduce more weight. Before each meal, drink a full glass of water before your meal and another during the meal. Reduce water retention. Reducing your sodium intake can help you lose water weight and make you look slimmer. To do this, you must limit your sodium consumption and consume more foods that contain enough potassium to help balance out the level of sodium in your body. This is important because sodium can cause water retention and bloating. Again, another way to minimize water retention is by drinking lots of water. Although this may seem counterintuitive, but staying hydrated will prompt your body to hold less water. Although these methods are all proven to be effective and are backed by science, it is also important to keep your expectations in check. Moreover, you need to keep in mind that a weight loss plan that includes both exercise and low-calorie diet will still yield better results. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.